Starting a side hustle is probably one of the most rewarding things you could ever do in your life. Why? It can help you pay off debt, it can help you set up an emergency fund, but more importantly, it can really get you started on that journey for wealth creation, right? Because you don't want to be stuck in this rat race where you're always trading your time for money. What you want to be able to do is, as you are working a job, you also want to have a side hustle that can help fund your wealth journey so that you can invest in real estate, property, stock, or whatever. Now, the question is, what are some of the best side hustles you could do from home in 2022? Well, this video is going to provide some answers and insight to that. And I've really spent some time really going through a bunch of side hustles to really pick what I believe is a curated list if you want to start a side hustle in 2022. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kuda Biza. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I started my first business when I was 9 years old, when I was living in Harare, Zimbabwe. When I was a teenager, I moved to America with only $40 in my pocket. And I got a scholarship to study at a college in Florida. And while I was there, I started my first side hustle while I was in school, which was a t-shirt company where we were able to sell t-shirts across the country. And I did pretty well with that. And then when I went into corporate America, I started my other side hustle, ThisIsMyEra, which has become a six-figure side hustle that my wife and I started and were able to change lives across the world through our personal development products. Now, I really believe that everybody should have a side hustle regardless of who you are. So if you're following me, you've probably watched a bunch of my content around side hustles. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you put in the comments if you are side hustling or if you're getting ready to side hustle, if you're just stuck. Just put wherever you're at in your side hustle journey and I can see how I can help. Now anyway, back to the topic of conversation today, which is the best side hustles for 2022 that you can start from home. I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that I believe are the best for you to look into and start this year. And I really want to make sure that you guys get on that journey. So, online tutor. If you have knowledge, if you're really good at a subject, you can become an online tutor and make anywhere between $40 to $60 an hour, depending on the platform. You can sign up on platforms like Tutor.me or Tutor.com. And you can literally just set up your profile and students can come to you and schedule time for them to learn. You know, you can teach them English, math, whatever you're good at. Now, the cool thing is that over the pandemic, virtual learning was really made common, right? Because kids had to learn virtually. So now online tutoring is something that kids are accustomed to. So you could really leverage online tutoring to your advantage. So think about it. If you tutor 5 hours a week, that's an extra $200 a week. You multiply that by 4, that's an extra $800. So if it's a side hustle where you're making anywhere between $800 to $1,000 a month, and you set aside that money into your savings or you invest it, which I highly recommend, right? You want to put money into an investment so it's working for you. That money can then grow over time, right? And you can turn that $1,000 a month to probably tens of thousands of dollars in a pretty short period of time. And then you can invest in other things like real estate and so forth and so forth and get you to a path of earning passive income. So that's why I highly recommend that you should take a look into online tutoring because the rates are good. You don't have to go anywhere. You can literally just step out of your bed, get onto your computer and teach someone and make 40 to 50 bucks in an hour without having to do much. The second side hustle that I would recommend is being a virtual assistant. You know, busy entrepreneurs like myself, we're always looking for people to help us with projects. And there are platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can go set up a profile and really articulate some of the things that you're really good at. And you'd find that, you know, entrepreneurs, business owners, and so forth will reach out to you with projects and gigs that you can help with. I have multiple VAs that help me with certain things. Like for my speaking business, I have a VA who's specifically focused on doing outreach to schools, event organizers, and so forth and so forth. And that's her job. She spends, a few hours a week just doing that specific task for me. I also have another VA that helps me manage my calendar, my time, and other administrative stuff like putting in my expenses and things like that. And, she also puts in a couple of hours a week and makes a few $100 just doing that. What that does for me, obviously, it gives me time to work on high income activities. But for the VA, they're able to work from home and do things that come naturally for them and make money doing that. So it depends on the tasks and the amount of time you put in as a VA, but you could easily make a few $100s to even a couple $1,000s as a VA as a side hustle. Now, we all know that social media is really now a mainstay within the marketing of any business. So a lot of small business owners are looking for people who are really good at managing social media. So that's side hustle number 3. You can become a social media manager for a brand or multiple brands, and if you're really good at something like, let's say, Facebook advertising, you can earn quite a lot because it's a high demand area. So managing social media and also providing services within the social media space, it's a very, very in-demand side hustle. So if you can learn how to do it, you'll find yourself with plenty of opportunities. If you don't know how to manage social media, or if it's an area that you're interested in but you've never really done it, well, you're in luck because there are so many platforms that you can go on and you can get certified, right? They'll teach you, they'll train you, and then they'll certify you on how to become a social media manager. And you can learn Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, so many different platforms. And once you have that certification, you can then go back to the platforms I mentioned earlier, like Fiverr and Upwork, set up a profile, and then you can look for projects that you can help brands with. And over time, as you're building a case study of clients that you've worked with, you can actually grow and scale your business. Now, if you're smart, what you can then do is you can then get other VAs under you and you can create your own social media agency where you can now actually get multiple clients working with you, and then you can then just manage the clients but have multiple VAs do certain things for you, and then you can grow and scale your business that way. So managing social media is number 3. If you have a car and you're working from home and your car is idle all day, you can start a car rental side hustle. You can go on Tutor and other platforms for car rentals, and you can put your car there. Or if you're a household where you have 2 cars, and you can literally have the other car go out and have one car that you could use, you can turn your liability. As you know, a car is a liability unless if you use it to generate income and then it becomes an asset. So car rental space is quite popular. It's hot. If you have a really good car in a good condition, you can get decent rates, anywhere between, $100 or even, $200-$300 per day in car rental. So if you have a brand new car, that's in demand like a Tesla, you could rent it out for maybe close to $200 a day. So imagine if someone rents it out for a week, you're making about $1,400 in sales just from that car. And then, if you, the more you rent it out, the more nights it's out, the more money you can make. So you can kind of like decide what dates you want to rent it out and what dates you want to use it. So car rental space, especially with Tutor, it's a really good side hustle. So you definitely do want to look into that and see if you can make it happen. One thing I will point out about that is you really want to make sure that you take a look into your insurance to make sure that your insurance and all that stuff is covered. But I'm pretty sure there's so many people who are posting about that and sharing information on how you can start a Tutor business. So make sure you educate yourself on that and learn more on that. And then the last side hustle that I believe is probably the best side hustle to start, especially if you want to do it from home in 2022, is affiliate marketing. For people who follow me on this channel, you've heard me talk about affiliate marketing and why I think this is the best side hustle for you to start. And I'm going to tell you why. Well, before I do that, let me explain to you what affiliate marketing is. So think about a business, right? They need traffic coming to their business in order for them to buy. As an affiliate marketer, i.e. you can drive traffic to that business, and when someone orders, you get a commission. So for example, we all know that everybody shops on Amazon, right? So you can become an Amazon affiliate. And once you're an Amazon affiliate, what you could do is you can share with your community different products on Amazon. And when people go on Amazon and purchase it, you get a commission because you were the one who drove that traffic to Amazon. Now, the reason why I like affiliate marketing and why I believe this is the best side hustle to start is, number one, you don't have to worry about a product. You don't have to worry about fulfilling that product. You don't have to worry about customer service or anything regarding the service delivery of that order. All you have to do is make sure that you have a group of people that you can recommend that product or service to, and then those people, when they go, your job is done. So the other side hustles require you either to put in more time, work, provide a service or whatever, or in some cases actually have the product or service, like i.e. the car. But with affiliate marketing, you don't necessarily have to do all of this. So that's why I believe affiliate marketing is the best side hustle for you to start. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Kuda, I really want to do this affiliate marketing thing. How can I get started? Well, in the link below, there's a 15-day challenge by my friend David Sharp, where he walks you through step by step how you can go from being, a beginner, someone who doesn't know anything, to becoming an expert at affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend that you click the link below, go take that 15-day challenge, and in about 2 weeks, you'll be ready to start your own affiliate marketing business and you can start making bank. I started doing affiliate marketing, and before I knew it, I was making hundreds of dollars per week doing affiliate marketing, and in some good weeks, I've made thousands of dollars doing affiliate marketing. And the cool thing is, I'm just leveraging traffic and talking about things that I like, things that I'm passionate about, and these were things that I was already doing, but I wasn't getting paid to do that. But with affiliate marketing, now I get paid, which makes it a little bit exciting. So definitely take a look into affiliate marketing. And if these 5 side hustles are not enough or they didn't really tickle your fancy, guess what? I created an ebook with 101 side hustles. So yes, my team and I actually spent the time looking into all the different side hustles that are out there, and we created a list of 101 side hustles that you can go and try and do and start making money. So you can go get that ebook for free in the link in the description below. Those are the side hustles that I really recommend for you to start in 2022. And I really need you to understand one thing. Action takers are money makers. So if you watch this video, you got really moved and you want to take action, but you actually don't take action, you never make the money from the side hustle. What you now need to do is get off of your butt, go start that side hustle. If it's affiliate marketing, being a VA, getting on Tutor, whatever it is, go do it now so that you can start making money. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in another video, and go make that money. Take care.